Aika Dajiba was supposed to be and was pitched to us. This video was supposed to be Jagdish Mali directed. Bosco Caesar.
Famous Jagdish Mali.
Famous. उसके बाद उनके पास dancers नहीं है. क्या हुआ? हम लोग बाहर आए. There are like a sea of 30-40 people and Bosco sitting like this. It's already 4 o'clock of the first day of the schedule and I'm like, why aren't we rolling? So he's saying, we can't. The dancers, I said, I can see so many. He said, just go closer and see. They were supposed to be Russian dancers. They were lady boys. There were 42 lady boys.
Ishita Arun. Just wanted to say the name. Normally when I say girls' names in public, they slap me and get angry or just buzz off or creep. Uncle. Uncle is okay.
No, Cyrus, you can never be an uncle.
Uncle?
Nope.
Yeah?
No.
All I want to do on a show is move my pecs.
I'm blinded right now. Okay, this is prosthetic. No, let me touch it once.
That sounds very vulgar. तमीज़ से बात करो चाचा के सामने.
What is this? I tried to put a mic like 5 minutes ago. There was a feedback so hard because there's no space between the
I think you're not understanding the body part. I can make it grow a little bit.
This is Cyrus 2.0. I've never seen you in this shape.
We haven't met for a long time, Ishita. I've seen your big fan is Kunal Vijayakar. Because your appeal is for Gen Z, 25, 30, which is where he fits.
He's under 25.
Definitely. And he keeps sending me, when you first started those reels, I think some time has passed now, he was very excited. Hey, Brocha, we should do something like this. See how funny these are and all that. So he's always trying to catch up with the next generation.
He's too cute.
But he's a 60-year-old middle-class woman. It doesn't make any sense.
Kaku bhai. That is my spirit animal. I'm a Kaku bhai. We like got along like a house on fire when we did We Are Haurats. It was like synergy, meaning it was, I didn't have to script anything. It took us like whatever, 10 minutes each. And it was, we have now planned 3-4 more sections of that. So we will, once he's back.
But he like me, he can only work first half of the day, huh?
Yeah, I love that because my bandwidth also kind of diminishes.
4-5 बजे के बाद I have to go.
I have to go.
All
like
that will start.
Bandwidth is hard out ना आजकल ये शब्द आया है.
No, just capacity is not there. Battery बंद हो जाती. But tuck, it's over.
It's over. It's over. So we between 12 and 2 nicely we shot.
Yeah, he'll be good there.
But Kunal is a doll, and yesterday I wanted to check where you were. So he promptly texted me from Chicago. ये होता है.
No, not in India. Abhishek, I told you offline also, look at the vanity of these men. When they go to America and all that, they want to tell you where they are. They don't care about why you're calling or whatever.
I'm in Chicago.
Yeah, that's the point. That's the psychology behind this. It's ridiculous.
Well.
Anyway, before we start the show, I want to first pay tribute to your family. What a wonderful family. Huge fan of everyone.
Thank you.
Your lovely mother. What a talent to be born in that family. Your uncle is, for me, the greatest of all time. He's the greatest. Yeah. For me, it's like Amitabh Bachchan. I don't argue about Amitabh Bachchan, greatest actor India has ever produced, and I put it aside. Changed advertising single-handedly, created what we have today. He's basically the advertising revolutionary for me.
Absolutely,
okay?
100%.
You don't have to say, I'll say it. I just want to say. And all the uncles, I mean, Korkois, Abhijit, I mean, everybody is so bloody talented and good. What a family to be born in. So my first question is, pressure ki baat hai?
Yeah.
Because when you must have realized that sometime when you were a young kid also, everybody's like,
doing the,
even if they were not popular at that time, some of them are still super talented. So you're caught in this talent cesspool.
This is just a quarter of it that everybody knows. My other aunts are all overachievers too.
Please tell.
One is a PhD scientist, one is a cosmetic surgeon allergist, one is doing theatre stuff in Delhi, one is a tourism director. So
I would have been so complex in this family, yaar. I would have needed therapy at age 4.
And everybody is like, subah.
So you've got academics also on one side.
Yeah. We're half doctors, half artists
on the other side.
Yes.
Creative geniuses and performers.
Yes, absolutely. All of them are performers.
Ek hai jo kisan hi hai. One guy who's like, I like that. I want to just till the soil. Yaar.
Nahin, aisa, no such.
Dhruv.
Dhruv is not... our family. I've married into...
No, he's part of the family.
Yeah, he is.
He's also super talented.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want him on the show. That's what I'm saying, all that. So he comes.
He's also started acting then. But like my mom's family, all of them were, and still touch wood, they're working up until 70, 75. No, rukne ka koi naam nahi hai.
But rukne ka should not be an option. This is not about your family, but generally.
I
just see people around me, as they retire, they lose their zest for life.
No, and the thing is, we know when our aunts or mothers are vela. Because that day I'll get a call on the most like, stupid things ki, बच्चों ने thank you नहीं बोला. And I'm like, आज मम्मी shooting नहीं है क्या आपकी? जिस दिन shooting है सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है. So they're best on work. I really.
But aren't we all?
Yeah, yeah,
The moment
yeah.
you have a long drive is when you do a WhatsApp and return calls and all.
Exactly, exactly. So, like, well, when you're coming from such a family, I think most of them came from a really, really lower middle class, average, humble background.
Rajasthan.
Yeah, yeah, and they didn't. My mom's family didn't have a very. They were middle class bankers' kids. So
Hey,
there was
middle class and banker तो paradox है.
नहीं, banker
The
meaning
banker मतलब then they are
government
not.
bank official यार.
Wow.
Yeah.
इतना पैसा. और tax free.
नहीं, उस समय तो भाई वो मुलाजिम थे.
Mulaz. Oh, I've got to say that Hindi is another level.
Yeah.
So let's not even get her. But you speak good Marathi also.
Yes.
Again, my Vijayakar is the spy.
Yes,
He's
yes.
very impressed. Speaks good Marathi. If you were only 20 years older.
I love him, bless him. Thank you so much. No, so I think that hunger, that coming from a small setup and wanting to do greater things is the reason each one kind of landed somewhere bigger. The second gen too, academically, we all kind of did well. I think
But you're a Bombay girl.
Exactly. So out of all the second gens, I've been in. I had the privilege of staying in Bombay, that too in Santa Cruz. My other cousins are from Mulund, which was also at that 80s. I was like, oh,
I love
Mulund.
this. मेरे को geographic racism सबसे
Oh,
1% चीज है.
And that time you used to go to Powai from that 111 bus from Santa Cruz East with only mountains and that things. Huh? Now there's like Hiranandani, dude. So
Music,
right? So there was a sort
only
of...
Mumbaikars will understand what you're saying.
Exactly.
What it really is geographism.
It is because now my kids see one Powai which is very like high end. I said,
it's superb.
It is.
There are no beggars in Powai.
There aren't.
Yeah.
There are no potholes by the way.
Not bad, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
There is a part of Mumbai where all
There
this
is very, very well planned, very sanitized, and a great gentry. But that wasn't the time then. And I had some cousins who were coming from there. So there was another hunger that was attributed from the fact that you're coming from that part of, North Bombay. I was privileged because I was in Santa Cruz and my mom was doing all of this. I had theatre in my background, backyard, sorry. I felt like, I think my hunger kicked in postpartum.
Postpartum matlab?
Meaning after I had my kids, right?
Oh, postpartum in the biological sense.
In the
postpartum, I thought some guy from Germany or something is in the middle. ये कहाँ से आ गया? Am I not paying attention to the whole guest?
So Abhijit also,
you were already doing music. You were doing ads.
Yeah. So I started.
Hey.
Yeah. I also peaked very early. So I started when I was 3.
Not peaked very early. You were like a prodigy because you were all over the TV.
Yes. So I started at 3.
Let's rewind. Let's go there first. Yeah. So what was the
Vix.
Vix. Vix ki goli lo.
Yes, that was me.
Kich dur karo. I can't say it. No, it's not right because there's some copyright issue.
No. This one is for DD.
We'll say Indian style for Vix. We'll say Wix. हो गया.
Vix.
Wrong name.
Vix कह सकते हैं भाई काय को नहीं?
I don't know. Is it still there? It's still there, no?
Yes, it is. But yeah, so you know what? Piyush was my roommate. My mom got him to Bombay because he was a tea taster at with Piggy Arun Lal in Delhi, in Calcutta.
Oh, you call him Piggy?
Yeah.
I'll tell you my Arun Lal story also after this.
He's too cute. So
Piyush Arun Lal story.
Piyush,
I have also one.
You have one?
Please.
There are many. But so he was tea tasting there. My mom had done lots of AIR spots with him while they were in Jaipur. So she said, you're what are you doing tea tasting? Idhar aao. यहाँ 2-3 agencies.
You not said one thing. He was a very decent cricketer.
No, he was a very, very decent.
Yeah.
He was a
wicket keeper, no?
Ranji.
Vicky.
Wicket keeper. And
Ranji level wicket keeper, Rajasthan.
Then he played with the company for Calcutta. Then when he came to Ogilvy, he was heading there.
Ogilvy became the bap. So then he can decide who's playing. That's a difference. So that's the kind of cricket I want to play. मैं खुद select
Not
करता हूँ.
Ogilvy,
मैं opposition को select करता हूँ. और मैं this is called the Ornobization of cricket. Because we will give the result also before.
No, it was called OBM then, by the way.
Yeah.
So it was something in Metha. That OBM was what it was called all through the 80s and 90s.
Happy J House.
Yeah, Happy J House. Oh my God,
remember.
bless. And I've been to like 1,000 matches holding that placard because he was my roommate.
All in black.
All
for
in
those
black.
who don't know,
No, black was only for Abbeys.
For the Abbeys, for the awards.
For the awards.
Whatever award show, let me explain again because we are now, it's a very local conversation. So Piyush Pandey changed the whole structure of advertising, and O&M, I don't know now, but at least for the next 10-15 years, won everything.
Yeah,
They were like the most creative agency by a mile.
Still are.
Possibly
there
still
are,
are.
of course, people who've cropped up now,
Yeah.
but they still are.
They still are, and he started this black thing.
Yeah.
So, but it gave them a sort of feel, I don't know. Again, it was like the touch that he had. It just gave them that charp.
Yeah.
So all of us is standing there trying to look cool and all that, whatever clothes, and these guys come in black, and you just get a little intimidated.
And
because
they're all
together.
blacks on stage.
Yeah.
Because they're sweeping awards.
That
after
sounded
awards.
wrong, but yeah.
Okay, no disrespect. I'm in black,
But what
wearing
thinking?
clothes.
Just, the guy's like a genius. He is a genius.
He
What are you
is,
saying?
and it comes very naturally. It's very unaffected.
Unassuming. I love him. I absolutely adore him.
Yeah.
I cannot say anything. Only great things.
He is fantastic, and I had the pleasure of being his roommate, and I was an only kid. So when he came and stayed in Santa Cruz, in my mom's house, he was here 5 years as my partner in crime.
Non-PG it's called.
Yeah.
Non-paying guest.
And it worked out well because a lot of OBM after parties were at home. Suresh Malik and the entire
Sunal Dabral, his prodigy.
Dabral, of course, he was there. Dabral was living in Takshila at that time.
Wow.
So it was
No,
all
not the city in the Magadh Empire. Let's be clear.
Andheri East.
Andheri East mein bhi Takshila hai.
And that's a great complex, great memories like yesterday. So I was about 3.5, 4 then, and Vix actually happened because Vix was actually cast as an ad. Jalal Agha's daughter was cast to be the kid.
Oh.
And she was very cute. I've tried to look
Same
for her
age?
since. Same age. I've been trying to scout where
You
she is.
stole
but,
Jalal Agha's daughter's career.
Yes, I think because Piyush used to teach, by the way, he's a very good jive master. So I don't know where he picked up jive, but he used to teach me jive. So
Jive dancing, you mean?
yes. And he's been my jive partner as well. So that one of these parties, I must have gone precocious kid, of course. Koi dar
You're
nahi hai.
3.
Yeah, I went and danced in front of Suresh Malik. So
Jive wife.
Yeah, full on. So Suresh Malik was like, I am casting her, and then she was out, I was in. So that is how Vix happened.
My God. So that was completely wow. By the way, Suresh Malik was the big boss at that point, if I remember correctly.
Yes, he was the big boss.
He looked like Woody Allen. It was
He did?
Yeah.
Oh my God, he did.
They're no longer with us. These are all the legends of advertising, and he
was
gave
amazing.
birth to Piyush in a sense, brought him into the business, and of course Piyush then changed the landmass and the landscape.
Yeah. But he was a kingmaker because he
kingmaker
spotted.
is the right word.
He spotted a potential and he gave him room to kind of grow. So it was amazing too.
And he gave his niece also a career in modeling and took away Jalal Agha's family inheritance.
So I did start modeling at 3.
Well, what was the first ad? Vix.
Vix, then I've done Lijjat, and oh my God.
Which is the one with Neena Gupta?
Robin.
Yeah.
Robin Blue.
Yeah.
And many. I did Yatra. I think I did about 100 TVCs.
Did you have a consciousness about what you were doing and all, or you're too young?
No, I remember having a star tantrum quality. I was Auntie Pooh, that is
Adar's mom.
wife.
Yeah.
Adar's
Not
mom.
wife, they never married.
I mean,
मेरे को सब मालूम है भाई मैं advertising का आदमी हूँ.
They'll say. So Mani V.
Aisha's a real name, same as my
Yes.
my wife's.
Yes, that is right.
She's lovely, Pooh, huh?
So all of these people now come and meet me and they're like, oh, you were that kid. So
They all cast you. Because
cast
they all,
me, but I was quite a
badly behaved?
Say
na.
Yeah, I was quite a precocious
Naughty.
kid. Naughty,
Precocious is a
very
strange word.
naughty, very naughty.
Acha.
Very naughty, opinionated, and
At 3?
At 3, 4, 5. Yes,
You were telling the director, Pooh, this is not working.
No, where is Ishita? She's gone to the Tunky throwing bricks and stuff like that.
That's okay.
I was boisterous and thankfully now I've hopefully calmed down in some ways, but when I meet them now I'm like, I'm really sorry, I'm very sorry.
At least they don't do what other people in India do when they meet someone who's famous. They want you to perform. So they don't say, Abhi, wo Vix ka dikha na. Vix ka acting.
Oh, it happened in my childhood. Yeah, but you're right. I kind of was a childhood. I did lots of ads and then when
Give us a number. Do you have any idea how many?
I think according to my dad, who could be biased, look, it was 100 plus.
100 plus commercial.
So it was Baby Guddu.
It's like a full career.
Yeah, it was so...
Under the age of 7, 8.
No, under the age
10.
of the first tooth falling.
What age would it be?
That would be around 9-ish.
9-ish.
8, 9.
So
Yeah,
between
correct,
3
correct.
and 9,
Yeah.
so there are 100 plus commercials.
Yeah.
There are people from Lokhandwala every day who stand outside Apija House and all these famous places, famous studios and all this, looking for work.
But
for 25 years without
No, but
getting
we
one job.
auditioned. I remember going to Tardev in one of the Everest buildings
Yeah.
for one audition with the
Yeah.
train ride with Dad.
Shunyata was there, SMG, lots
Must
of
be. I don't remember where though, but yeah, I do.
White Light. You must remember Mahesh Mathai, all these
Yes,
people, no?
Mahesh, uncle.
Mahesh uncle. Abhi, once we cross 35, 40, nobody's uncle. Unless they change gender from auntie.
Sheila Mahesh, again, like,
Yeah?
like
You still say
India.
uncle?
No, I can't. He just has a cold expression, so I've had
Yeah,
to
he's very stoic like that. You can't make out what
He's a
thinking.
doll. I
Yeah.
love Mahesh.
My
immensely.
one of my favorites because very fast. I
Yeah.
like fast workers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were ruling the roost. Yeah.
Super quick, yeah.
Highlight, white light.
White Light.
This was what was going on. These kids don't know anything. I sound like
Yeah,
oh
we're
my
talking
God.
some strange language that nobody understands unless you're from the 90s.
They were
and
sus. They were not sus. They were Riz.
Yeah. Whatever. Fuck you. Old man frustrated.
But yeah, man, because and no. So when I went into like teeth falling, I remember one last.
What is this thing about teeth falling? It's some defining thing or what?
There was a Bonvita ad, and that must have been one of my last commercials that I did. There, and that was with Piyush. That was almost like a tying a ribbon कि अच्छा अभी भाई हो गया time पढ़ाई पे concentrate करके graduate करने का, because there was an ad for Bonvita in Delhi. He couldn't find somebody and he said इलाजी मैं इसको लेके जा रहा हूँ. So Mama and I flew out. I was very excited, whatever. My teeth had not fallen as yet. And I remember there was another girl जिसके दांत गिर गए. Now there's a thing in advertising which is that if you're doing a chocolate ad or anything that is sweet
the mouth,
related,
the close up.
yes, the teeth cannot be bad because what you're depicting
They're
to
not
the
bad.
customer.
It's just that it's kids losing a tooth.
Yeah, but that is not understood by the customer is because they think customer is stupid.
Chutia customers. are there.
Oh, can we abuse our word?
Of course we can. If the customer is a chutia, I can't say anything else. I don't have a word.
Thank you. I was just trying to be very like well.
No, what I'm thinking is that the kids are so cute when they. I don't sound like a creep, but they're cute when they have one
But
tooth missing.
check this out. So I was 100% sure कि क्या रात में दांत तो नहीं उगने वाला उस लड़की का तो मुझे ही मिलेगा यार. तो gung ho reached that it was a basketball field or whatever, early morning Delhi. That kid from East Delhi wherever has gone to a dentist
and got a
put
fake tooth.
Fake tooth. Fake.
Typical Delhi story. नकली वाली चीज है. Typical. Louis Vuitton with a W.
तब
Rubbish.
वो ना जो the heartbreak I have
And you all ready and decked up and ready to
full.
shoot.
And then I said to myself कि यार अभी ये as a kid I was sharp enough to put two and two together कि now I've graduated too.
What did Piyush say?
He rips a
He's
band-aid.
neutral.
He treats kids like he would treat an equal. He didn't like Molly Coddle say, oh, no, so can you prepare, prepares you for everything. So I love that kind of thing. It wasn't ki, hi Ram, how are you feeling? The more you pander and you walk on eggshells around kids, I think that they kind of get the vibe. This is life, sooner or later. But that was one of my last commercials then.
As a kid. But then Ishita Arun's story goes to another story altogether. You change the track.
Yeah. So
Meantime, you didn't tell us because you grew up with your mom's, I won't say shadow, but looming large over you.
Yeah.
So what about the music talent, which comes later? You were also singing and stuff? Training?
I didn't know. No, I never
Riyaz,
trained in
Riyaz?
music. Nothing.
Nothing?
Because I've seen my mom being asked to sing, and plus she's a bass voice. So do I.
It's not called a bass, it's called a unique voice.
Unique.
Usha Uthup also has that. That
Exactly.
very distinct.
But it is a bitch because in an industry
How
where
can you use these words?
Sorry, abhi to mera
Nee,
pehla wala.
B is not allowed. C is allowed. Sutia. French say it. It's a French word.
Beep it out, na bhai.
Let's talk about your mom nicely. Come
yes.
on.
No, the industry and its kind of acceptance of baser voices.
Oh, you're saying she was targeted?
Right.
Like how dark
because
models don't get work.
Yeah, this is a bitch of an area because they will only typecast you in certain kind of songs. Then to a very high soprano voice is a great voice. It's like an Indian,
It's a stereotype. The girl and the high voice.
The girl is Shreya Ghoshal, Lata Mangeshkar.
Now with wokeism, even the boys have high voices. It's accepted.
Accepted.
वो भी ठीक है.
वो ना texture जो कहते हैं हम लोग. That's Usha ji. My mum, Malini Awasthi came in later.
So what you're saying is, so they got less work because of this? I didn't know
they
this.
got only one certain kind of work and then the pressure कि आप इधर भी सुना दीजिए गाना. गा के सुनाइएगा, आप जरा ये कर लीजिएगा, and the pressure to
No,
maintain.
this is a profession, like people are giving them work, or this is general janta?
General janta. So the whatever comes with being a singer, it just, I was like psyched, dude. I said I don't have the discipline to take care of my voice, or then to fight with somebody to say my voice is great. So I didn't want to be a singer. Musicality, I couldn't avoid.
But what is your voice like? I mean, I know you've sung. Is it closer to mom's voice, or is it like?
It is mum's voice, but it is
So the huskier tones.
The huskier tone, but I have more of a Sufi till to it. I can't do. I mean, I've not grown up in a folk.
The classical, traditional
Right.
style
So
that she has.
I have my articulation of my life experiences. Hers was.
Fair. You're urbanized kid also.
Yeah, exactly.
That folkism, that generation is different.
Then that was the other thing that put me off when people said, "Can you sing like your mother?" No, she is from Jaipur. She is
No,
like.
but it's not impossible that you could just be like her
I mean,
in terms
I can
of
copy
ability.
her when
yeah,
she
that's what.
can't sing. Like she'll say कि अभी तुम ये
जब
वाला
पैसा
सुर
कम है
लो."
तो इसी तू जा.
No, when she like, she wants to hit a higher note, she'll say कि just back me on the vocal. I can copy my mom's song to the two, but it is not me. I am doing her. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I didn't want to go down the music route, although it was something that I couldn't escape. It's there, obviously. I took her writing actually. That's what I loved of my mother. Which
So that
I
was your
saw.
next avatar.
Yeah. So it was not my next avatar. I've written since I was a child. There were publications in Dainik Bhaskar, and I've written poems and stuff. But in Hindi,
So your Hindi writing skills are good.
yeah,
But that's a real talent to be actually bilingual in that sense,
that's the thing that I've actually inherited in a very small.
So you can think in Hindi also?
I think in Hindi.
I only think in Hindi when I'm driving.
That is.
That happens naturally.
Yeah.
Then I'm very clear. I'm the
I
Premchand
don't
of
think in
Galis.
Hindi. No. I think in Mumbai when I am on the road.
That's true.
That is
Yeah.
that is not Hindi according to my mother.
Off camera, she heard me say Gandu to someone, which is only Mumbai. You will not hear these words outside. once
It's
you
in
leave
my
the-
reels.
yeah,
So I
yeah.
told mummy after a point, I was like, आपको नहीं पसंद आए तो नहीं देखना. But यहाँ तो मैं वो
Because we butcher the lovely Hindi language. What we have done, we've
खाएंगा पिएंगा बाजू
But
में.
even the Rajasthanis and the UPites and all who come here, they have to finally give it up.
Yeah,
they have to
yeah,
start
but-
speaking like that. They won't get the eggs.
But the Mumbai is a amalgamation
It is.
of their
It's
certain
Marathi,
words,
Gujarati,
Marathi,
everything coming
Gujarati,
into it,
everything
yeah.
combined. Yeah, absolutely.
And change all syntax, syntax, nobody cares. Okay, let's get back to your story. So, you started writing.
I've written all through.
Yeah, Dainik Bhaskar, this is all very...
As in, this is when I was 10, 12.
Huh.
I took a break with work and then, for school. I was just focusing on school. In college, I decided
This is Xavier's?
Xavier's.
Huh.
That's my main
The
crux
growth
was-
happens there.
Yeah, because I wanted to only get into Xavier's. And I had to really study hard because I'm an ADHD. So, till 9th सो रहा था अपन बॉस. 9th में
You woke up.
लग गई.
हाँ.
फिर 10th में टॉप किया.
You topped?
96
Topped the
or
school?
so.
96?
इतना कि प्रसून so
In-
that what's that average called यार? 86
Average,
in math.
हाँ.
Meaning
Median, huh?
68 in Hindi. So I looked at my scorecard and I looked at Prasoon was at Piyush's house on the telephone. There's no
He's
mobile.
giving the scores.
Who said कि result आ गई है.
हाँ.
And I'm hiding and he is like, एक मिनट ये इसकी है क्या? So I said, what? He said, so there was this big do because it was a surprise that one has got great marks, but everybody, I was very disappointed that Hindi में 68 कैसे आए? He said, एक काम करता हूँ, सभी papers में re-evaluation के लिए भेजता हूँ. I said, नहीं, 86 मेरा, 92 history, geography.
Everything went up?
नहीं वो था वो नीचे आ जाता पता
that's
नहीं
true, that's true,
नहीं
So you sent it or didn't send it?
no I didn't send it obviously not
Yeah,
but,
that's be very careful because you're going for one Hindi grade and you may lose the 5 other grades.
हाँ वो Xavier's आया अच्छे से भगवान thank you. Nothing till then. When I was leaving in TY or SYBA, I wanted to do Miss India. That was the time I came back. Back to the performing arts, business to say. And so I got in and I had to go in for this month and I had to drop out from Xavier's because
Why?
Mrs. Sardesai, hello, I'll give you a ticket for the play. She said,
Mrs. Sardesai, this is not right.
not right.
Huh.
But now she's
So
like,
they
whether
didn't
you
give you
perform-
leave, is what you're saying,
Yeah,
basically.
I'm an exemplary student man and had no offs.
But they didn't like look. They look down on the Miss Indias
Yes,
and all. No?
they're
Like
like, we can't
model
give
shortage.
what is this, Ishita? I can't give you. You
That's
have
a
to.
good knuckle. That's very good. Keep going. Keep going.
No.
No, please. She won't mind. She's very sweet. Come on.
This is ridiculous. We can't afford to. You please speak to Joe Dias and you can get your letter from your parents.
So if you've grown up with the Xavier's, 3 generations of Xavierites, you'll know that this is the Mrs. famous Professor Sardesai,
Yeah, Sarojit
Rajdeep's mom, and also the great Dilip
He's-
Sardesai's wife.
I hope Rajdeep is not watching.
He's very sweet. Don't
He's
worry
very
about all that. You don't worry.
But
Tell your
she's now
story.
so sweet.
Yeah.
Now she'll call and she said, your mother's plays on. I want 2 tickets.
Now you're not stopping. The rest of the show we are doing like this. Yeah.
No, it's just inner channelize. It'll take a minute to settle down. Yeah, so I dropped
then-
out from Miss India, and that was
This
the
was
epic year.
TYBA.
Yeah, I did my TYBA from then the university, but then we did that year, which was Lara, Priyanka,
Oh,
Diya.
right.
We have, I think, that was a
And they all became superstars from the
phenomenal
thing. Yeah.
year because most of the girls
Only
were
that
still
year.
working. Only that year.
Where
Yeah.
everyone, 4-5 girls got big names out of it. Yeah.
Most of them, see Lakshmi Rana,
Yeah.
Bhavna Sharma,
Yeah.
I kid you not, 80% of these girls are still working.
Wasn't I doing something on that year? I think
Were
I
you
interviewed,
hosting it?
I interviewed all of you all. We did this whole behind the scenes thing and all
Yes,
that. Yeah.
yes. And Hemant was training us,
Yeah,
Monika.
correct.
Correct.
Yeah, same
exactly.
group. How old are we? And I remember Priyanka Chopra had this American accent.
She's my roommate.
She was your roommate? Huh? Can you do her accent?
No.
Please!
No.
Mrs.
I'm not-
Sardesai, icon of Xavier's, and now you can
No,
do
I'm
Sardesai.
not. I'm not. I can
Please?
just tell you that she had come from Bareilly Piggy Chops. I am very proud of you. But
Yeah. Are you in touch?
Whenever we bump, I meet her mother.
Okay.
I meet her family whenever she's here, and if we are there around, we meet. But
So come back to the
Yeah.
story. So then you did Miss India.
Yeah.
Now you got a taste of again being on stage and
Yeah.
all this, the lights, etc.
Yeah.
So you started going back into the business
yeah, I landed B4U right after.
and you became a VJ.
Yeah, so from 2001 to 7, I was with B4U on and off. That was the time that you guys were paving the path. All you Gen Zers.
I
if
tried
you-
to get it to be for you. They didn't want old people.
What?
Yeah. Every day
Listen,
I used to
please,
call up,
you were very
hey,
good
before
with
you. They said no after you. Really bad. Oh, stop
So
it.
B4U was like it was a London-based thing. I had a great
I thought
time.
it was Shekhar Kapoor had a stake in it or something, if I remember correctly.
I don't know. Yeah, the Bianis did.
The Pantaloon guys.
Yeah, and then there was another really Mittal, not Bianis, Mittal.
Which Mittal? The steel Mittals or?
No, that Ellen Mittal.
Oh, Lakshmi?
Yes.
Steel.
Oh yeah.
One of the richest, at that point, one of the richest men in the world. I think now it's down a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Apro Ambani che ne?
Are they in steel?
No, but now he's on the.
He's there. Oh, what you're saying is that India is shining. India is shining.
Yeah,
India is shining.
so
We have
that's why
people.
his rank has come down.
It's like Sachin then goes out, then Virat comes in, and then Virat goes out.
Innings
Gill
chal
will
raha
come in. The world carries on. Yeah.
So Mittal is a stakeholder. I was there with
So
his,
tell us
like-
about B4U, no?
Oh my God, embarrassing. Please, it was just
What embarrassing?
It was you know what it was, right? It was teleprompters.
That some of the shows are teleprompter. Yeah.
And college, but my most fun that I had was on call-in shows because it was unscripted.
Yeah.
And there are people from
And you're in
Dubai.
India, so there are a lot of people who need medication.
No,
when
there
they
were
call
people
up.
from Dubai, and because this was an international channel, and B4U has a great distribution, so it was wonderful meeting and like telephonically meeting people. And it's strange. I didn't think of it much because I think as a youngster who's just gotten her first gig, the second time around, you don't tend to value it. But I think that it was such a blessed time for all of us. Firstly, we all across Channel V, MTV, B4U, there was this.
The Spice, Southern Spice, what was it? There was one was South Channel.
Yes. Which
Simply
was
Spice.
Because
I met those guys also.
Yes.
I was quite the prostitute. I would meet everyone. I would say, come to Ghetto, buy me a drink, we'll talk. And then, of course, wouldn't leave the nest.
best work was actually that you don't realize it, but now looking back, right?
Southern Spice.
Southern Spice.
How
correct,
tough is
correct.
that? Huh.
Who was a famous VJ on that one?
Oh,
एक
God.
थी यार एक good looking girl बहुत ही थी.
Arey, there were lots of good-looking girls. The men were ugly in every channel. Yeah. MTV was the worst. Really.
No.
I couldn't watch the men on MTV. including me, of course.
Cyrus.
Chinnappa, Saukar.
My God,
my
Chinnappa. Cyrus is too
Then wait, Ranvijay. Oh my God. And then the worst, Ayushmann. I mean, I couldn't bear it.
Ayushmann was a contestant, no?
Rudy.
He was a roadie, but he was. He came in much later, boss.
No, but I'm just saying that he's the last VJ because after his generation, there are no VJs.
There are no VJs. So it was a great time, dude. Because
our generation was very VJ heavy.
Very.
People
VJ.
actually would tell their parents that I want to be a VJ.
Yeah.
Or in the north,
video jockey, bhai log.
VJ. Myself VJ.
And हमारे हाथ बहुत बात करते थे. Malaika was there in your thing,
of
yeah.
Course.
So Mallu, you, Sahukar,
Shenaz, Maria.
Oh my God.
Anushka, Dandikar, Sophia,
yeah.
Nix. Oh, who else?
All of the and there was just great work. Ramona.
Yeah.
Lot of great work was happening. Many and everybody had a place because Channel V was doing their stuff, which was also different from what MTV was doing. Before you had a different audience. So now it's like looking back.
You all had more of the foreign audience as
UK.
Well. So educated people would be watching our show, which is also good because it makes sense to have a conversation sometimes.
Yeah,
we would get away with
No, you guys were getting away
huge
with
hit.
The stuff that good stuff, good stuff. But that was So and 2007, I kind of parted ways with B4U because that reached a.
Yeah, there's only so much you can do. I did 14 years. I don't know how. But I was drinking a lot, Ishita. We drink a lot. I'll come back to my Piyush Pandey story. But first, we have to take a break. It's way past the time.
Hey, मेरा coffee किधर है?
हाँ, 2 second का break. You want it heated?
नहीं.
It's fine.
ठंडा चलेगा. मगर ये भाई AC का मेरे हवा.
What AC? There's no AC. It's all in your mind.
मेरा बर्फी जम गया है बर्फी वाला.
No, not. It's not. There's no AC. It's just a washing machine we've kept there. All right, we're taking a break. Coming back. Isha Arun's story is only halfway. Not even halfway. Just stay where you are.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On Cyrus Says Cock and Bull, Cyrus is joined by comedians Mikhail Almeida and Shad Shafi to talk about Donald Trump's rant on Taylor Swift, Satya Nadella's comment on employees being overworked, and Zomato's new AI policy. On A Century of Stories, Kunal tells the story of Wilson Jones, who clinched the World Amateur Billiards Championship in 1958, marking a milestone for Indian sport. Find out how Wilson earned international fame through his perseverance and skill. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsor this week, IDFC First Bank.
I tell my assistant, I'm like, कि इसमें हास्य व्यंग करते हैं, and she's looking
nice,
at me.
Better.
Huh?
Now you sound like a Pandey.
No, but I've not understood like with हास्य व्यंग and कटाक्ष, so I have to say, काहीतरी कुचक्या करूया ना, टोमणे डालूया टाकूया त्याच्यामध्ये. Okay. Right?
Is this a true story?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is the other word? What is the other Hindi word which I say? That you. Vyang, na? Vyang.
Vyang is satire.
Satire.
Right.
That is my life.
You're looking very young.
Very bad.
Let me tell you my story. Na? So, I used to have only German Shepherds. And Piyush would live in the end of my lane in Malabar Hill. The last building, Amrita.
That is that Amrita.
First floor.
Correct. That's the one.
And Anurag would stay with him. And I'm cricket crazy. Also, on top of that. So this is before MTV and all. I'm talking about early 90s. First floor flat, no? First floor flat.
Correct.
So he'd be there, with a cigarette and his drink on the thing and passing. So then he said, nice dog. So I said, yeah. So come up. See,
so
this is the old world charm. Otherwise you think some creepy thing, no? In today's day and age.
Yeah.
I went up. He made me sit down. We chatted. I'm a nobody. I'm just a person, on the road with a dog who we like the dog. That's it. Let's be honest. So I come, I sit there. He starts giving my dog whiskey with his finger. He taught me how to give dogs alcohol. I never knew about this technique. He'd be like, beta. And my Volpe is licking his finger and my dog doesn't want to leave. Another fan of Piyush Pandey.
Oh my God.
So I fell in love with him then only. I said, this is the guy, man. He's like a rock star. And he's very unassuming. See, he doesn't do anything for effect. Better than me.
He is.
He's just so mesmerizing. You got to meet him.
That house, by the way, fun fact, is where the Fevikwik ad came over dinner. His Jeeves Goshto, bless him, he's no more, but his like khas. He was catching some fish या कुछ fish fry के बारे में बोल रहा था, तो he said ऐसा करो गोश्तो, उसमें ना तुम एक Fevikwik लगा के उसको पकड़ लो. That was the beginning of that Fevikwik wala ad, नहीं था?
Yeah, of course. The fish wala. That's superb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that house has many such stories.
No, so then slowly I worked more. I did ads and all that, and so obviously got to meet him more. Drank at the Bombay Gym a lot. Drank at events and parties together. So I became a proper cult follower. You know, all laughing at Piyush's jokes. You know all that, no? 7 of us standing behind. I was one of the choir also.
And
Happily.
he's the loudest.
Loudest, and the timing is like, you know, you know when the punch is coming, and then everybody together. That's another culture which I can't share it with people.
हाँ भाई.
What fun. You get it, no? Back to Ishita. So before you, and then how does the singing and all start? Did that come at the same time?
I never sang, you know, I've just been writing stuff. But the video, it's strange. I'm glad you're asking me this. Bhaiya,
But that put you into a very,
it was a big flop.
huge. No.
It was a flop. Bosco just tagged me on a reel yesterday saying कि किसी को पता हो कि ये shoot कैसे हुआ है.
Aika Rajma?
Aika Dajiba was supposed to be and was pitched to us. Post Be For You. No, this is 2002. 22 years back. It was pitched to me while I was in Be For You. And they said, you know, this is going to be a Salman Khan style song. New singer, Vaishali Samant. ती सिंगर आहे, मी सिंगर नाही आहे. माझी आवाज आणि तिची आवाज जमीन आसमान का फरक आहे भाई. सो
Was Vaishali singing?
It's Vaishali. अजून मी I have done many videos with her saying singer, you know, because poor thing, for the longest time nobody knew it was her singing. मेरी तो लाइफ में इस जन्म में नहीं, 7 पीढ़ियों तक इतनी थिन वॉइस नहीं होने वाली है. Okay, and she's a
That is a compliment.
But she's a fantastic singer. A lot of Riyaz has gone. This video was supposed to be Jagdish Mali directed. Bosco Caesar.
Famous Jagdish Mali. Again,
Famous. Manje.
Mera generation ka, we too understand. She understands, of course, because she comes from the...
Not post Antara Mali and the downfall, windfall nahi. But this is that...
What happened to Antara Mali? Sorry to...
No. After he had kids and stuff, then he was
He
going
went
into that zone.
Chalo.
But he's like... He was a top.
He was at his peak.
Sold like a big, you know, Salman Khan ke backup dancer. So you have just that, oh Jana, wala set up in your mind. तो हमें लगा चल बॉस नया कंपनी है जाते Bosco Caesar me Milind Gunaji. Bless him, Milind is a dear friend but can't dance to save his life. Okay, 2 left knee, 4 left feet.
Yeah.
And in the flight we are planning everything. We enter Bangkok. We have only 2 days to shoot. Everything is supposed to be planned. First day आधा चला जाता है. हमें लोकेशन मिला है किसी कसिनो का ऑफ टाइम, जिसमें मैं किसी वो जो काउंटर की टेबल पे मेकअप कर रही हूँ, वो काष्टा बिष्टा डाल के आई एम फाइन. उसके बाद उनके पास डांसर्स नहीं है. क्या हुआ, हम लोग बाहर आए, देर आर like a sea of 30-40 people and Bosco sitting like this. It's already 4 o'clock of the first day of the schedule and I'm like, why aren't we rolling? So he's saying, we can't. The dancers, I said, I can see so many. He said, just go closer and see. They were supposed to be Russian dancers. They were lady boys. There were 42 lady boys. आपला हेच बजेट होतं.
So 21 ladies, 21 boys.
Lady boys.
42.
So, and now he's like, but they can't dance because they're like, Swadhiga.
God, Ishita, you're saying everything wrong now. They're going to get cancelled together.
So, and they were like,
but how did this mistake happen?
You know dance, no? Because the production...
But they didn't understand ki...
No. The truth of the matter is that there was a bigger song, bigger money, bigger schedule. उसके piggyback में हम लोग एक पे पैसा पे एक free मिलेगा ऐसा आए थे, जिसको अपन को
The
कोई
जुगाड़ went wrong.
Yes.
Okay.
तो हमें मालूम, हमें बताया था हम लोग वो है, but हम लोग वो नहीं, हम लोग ये थे. तो अभी क्या करे, वो खड़े हैं and Milind is standing in a sofa and saying I'll do and he's like, no, you can't do. Even if you want to do.
42 lady boys and Milind Gunaji. That's the dance I want to watch.
So he has, that sun is setting and he's like, what to do? So he has got like 30 soda bottles and he said, all the lady boys abhi pay kar rahe to karo. So he said, you know, isko fees kar. Milind ko bola, tum aisa. He said, I am taking 20 roles. It's on you now. So the first day, there are 20 takes of Milind only.
Wild takes.
Wild takes, doing this.
What we call upper body herogiri. No?
Yeah, and he, Bosco Caesar, like, listen, now you have to save the song. Now, my first song was not that, by the way. My first song was Bijuriya, which was with
We
Sonu.
have that research, but I only have so much time, so I'm trying to hit
No.
the.
But to cut to a long story short is that this video, first day debacle, second day we understood no lady boys. It's only lady and that boy, which is
Milind.
Milind. What do? Flight is at 6 o'clock. We go to some supermarket, hug a tree. I said, क्या है गाने का line? I said, मैं इधर बैठती हूँ. मेरे को पट्टी दे. तो उसने पट्टी करा. Then I did this. Okay. Then I said, Milind, come, stand here. कितना बजा है? I said, Milind, now I'll do this. So then he said, हाँ, इसको गिरा देना. तो ऐसे गिरा देना के बाद मुझको पट्टी लगेगा. We have done it like that. Then he said, the production guy said, मैं तो रैपर लेके आया हूँ. तो ऐसे चल, thank God, एक तो चीज़ अच्छा मिला. कोई रैपर ही नहीं है. And I'm standing there, Kashtya, saying, yo, yeah, people के लिए तो कोई है ही नहीं. After 20 minutes of standing in that Center Square CM, whatever, Paragon, or whatever it was, he started rolling the camera. And I started just doing, I'm like, yeah, people, and it's all NG takes.
Is what we see.
Is all you see.
But it doesn't look like NG takes.
So he has come, he's done 3 edits, he's saved this entire video.
Who has done? Bosco Caesar have put it
Caesar.
together.
Bosco's
Is what
head,
you're saying.
Caesar's head. This
So
video.
you have taught us a very valuable lesson, Ishita. You should not practice. Practice का कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. Look how well it turned out.
It is, yeah.
And I didn't know that Milind is. We can't tell.
No, Milind can't dance. Milind
No,
can
fair.
shoot very well. Milind can be a great friend. Milind still is sending me WhatsApp messages saying 6 million, 7 million. Our reel that we did as a Tipperies. Every time it hits 1 million, he's very kicked.
So we reached 10 million today, abhi nacho.
I made him do it for the zero view one.
Yeah.
But it was great
What a
fun.
lovely story, but.
It was, and it is.
So you must have thought, what a waste of my time. When you got
I
on
was
the plane.
depressed. I said, अभी ना मैं वो पैसे लेके निकलने का पतली गली से क्योंकि इसका कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. But I knew it was going to do well when Prasoon came home and the first edit was out, and I made him see it.
Oh, I thought he had shot it, huh?
No. And when he saw it, he just looked at my mom and he said, "This is going to be a hit." Because Prasoon has this,
Was Prasoon famous by then?
Yeah, he was with Highlight.
But he had made his own stuff and all?
I think
Ad-films?
he was exit Highlight, enter Corcoys. ऐसा हो रहा था.
Okay.
But
So he liked the edit.
he loved the edit, and that's the thing. But that song.
But
is
didn't that
like-
make you more famous? But because it got
It
very
did.
high rotation.
It is still trending.
Yeah.
I'm.
People are calling Milind Gunaji to dance at weddings. And he's panicking.
Oh, God.
मैंने करता है.
Oh, bless him. He's too cute. Yeah, that'll be. That is the day, right? He's arrived.
Okay, so you did that.
Yeah.
Then before you simultaneously or around the same time,
Yeah.
then you started doing more of this video stuff as well?
No.
Bijuria was before that you mentioned.
Bijuria happened again. Debacle. Saroj Khan.
How do you say it's a debacle? What does this mean, debacle?
It
This
was
is not
my
like a film
first
where you're
video.
paying
Have
money.
you seen that video? I am a block of mass because
So you're
I
saying
just
aesthetically you didn't like it?
didn't
but,
like
but
it.
these all got good
Anubhav
rotation.
Sinha didn't want me in that video. Sorry, Anubhav sir. I know the story. Magna Sound cast me because it was a new face and Cleo was supposed to be the model.
Isaac,
who
I
was
remember
way
that.
hotter than me. Any day मैं खुद बता रही हूँ ना आपको इस सच्चाई का आभास है मुझे.
Anubhav you were about to say, but it's okay.
आभास है मुझे. Anubhav, I know. But he wasn't happy. Nobody was happy that I was in that video. And Saroj ji bajawed me because मुझे ये step नहीं आ रही थी, okay? और जब तक आइका ताजीबा, the fun fact is that it was Sonu was a doll, but at the end of it was known to me कि Anubhav Sinha and team were unhappy that Cleo had entered, and rightfully so.
Anubhav Sinha, not good.
नहीं सही बात है सर. मैं जैसे दिखती थी ना उधर और मुझे कुछ हो नहीं पाया. अभी आपको देखना चाहिए.
Malabar Hill Mafia, under the guideship of her mama. Be very careful. हम लोग का आदमी को टच मत करो ऐसा.
But check this out, the Saroj ji bajawed my happiness कि ये क्या है? कमर है आपकी? ये
Really?
क्या है? हिल नहीं रही है.
How can you
हिलाना
talk?
नहीं आता आपको अपनी माँ की तरह.
Ishita, he can't talk like this today. You
No,
know
not
that?
him, not him. Saroj ji could
Oh,
get
Saroji could.
Saroji.
That's also on the line of what you can say to someone.
Right.
She was with women. She seemed to be a little more aggressive, and with men she was better. I noticed that.
But let me tell you this, for me it came a full circle because after Aika Tajiba, she did a show with, I think, NDTV Imagine about dance tutorials. Her first dance tutorial was how to dance like Ishita.
Oh, it's nice.
Man, I cannot tell you, these are small little awards I carry in my heart because only I know इन कमालिस्तान क्या कमाल के गुल खिले थे वहाँ मेरे और
That's quite an honor.
it really was. It was like I said, चल अभी तो किसने बोला मैं डांस नहीं करती.
Saru's a sweetheart. I think people have misunderstood because she did have a temper and all that.
But old school.
But she's what old school. I think it's, your uncle will appreciate it also. Once you enter the pitch, you do what you want. You be as aggressive as you want. When you exit, you have to be nice again.
Yes.
That's what I believe.
Yeah,
so on
and
the
she
set,
had-
whatever happens. But
she
you,
was amazing.
Yeah.
She was amazing, and I don't regret a single moment of that experience.
Yeah.
But those
You're
were
on
the-
Cyrus Says podcast because of all this.
I know.
देखा? कहाँ पे आ
My
गया?
mom saying वो साइरस का जो पॉडकास्ट है ना बहुत ही अच्छा है. मुझे लोगों ने कहा है जब मेरी
Ask
बुक
her to come
रिलीज
down.
होगी ना.
Please bring her on the.
Her book is
Your
releasing.
family can walk in any time.
So I
We
didn't
are
need you to
privileged.
tell me this. I
हाँ.
said मम्मी कब चाहिए आपको पता है मैं अभी साइरस को
Yeah.
खुद तो नहीं आ पाए.
Yeah.
I'm like mom आप कभी भी
But if you're getting Milind Gunaji, get me the lady boys also. I want that picture for once and forever.
Then I took a hard stop
Huh.
because I got married. Blue Frog happened. I had kids. And I didn't think I was going to come back into the industry till till 2021.
Which is
Post-COVID.
pandemic time.
Post-COVID.
Oh, sort of. Aadha COVID ho
Yeah,
gaya.
I mean, I was doing a little bit of, there was a silence. It was my mother who, can I abuse?
Of course, please.
She gave me a गांड पे लात. She said, तुम्हारा ना क्या करना
That's
है?
all. I was expecting them, the typical Delhi speak, the band ke lauda and all that. I wanted something like special, yaar. Gaan pe laat. I mean, what, yaar? I mean, that's like saying stupid.
It was a dead silence, and I think, honestly speaking, because this is, I know that we are on a time crunch, so just to give you a bit
So
of an
sweet.
overview.
I'm catching a plane, so she's being so nice. No guest is so nice.
The thing is that my tonality and my soul, I think my first gen of my family and you guys were it was easier for you to find that unique tonality. I discovered it after I had the kids because till then it was in my in my courtyard. I thankfully was well taken care of that I didn't have to say कि अगर ये movie अच्छी नहीं है तो मैं मुझे करनी ही है नहीं हो रही ना चलेगा I'll move on to something else. So I designed and I'm talented so I do a bunch of things and I was writing and all of that. By the way, I've written some 30 commercials.
This is now which era are we talking about?
This is the last
21 से
20 नहीं 15 से लेके अभी तक ध्रुव के कुछ 7-8 गाने और उसके साथ धाकड़ के गाने और कमर्शियल्स के गाने.
So you've written the lyrics are
Yeah.
yours with
Yeah.
Dhruv songs.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad.
Because I had to keep something alive, I had the kids and I was writing and all of that. It's just that to get into the skin of who I am, that is driven by some sort of a hunger, which actually got magnified.
So this
after.
Insta avatar that comes in 21 onwards. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, that is
the sort of rebirth.
I do. I
The more
don't know.
naughty side, the more
there
irreverent
was-
side
that is who I am.
in reality.
In reality, and it took me a long time to articulate it because of this thing that you're somebody's daughter and हमारे यहाँ ये है और ये ऐसा है, but I am a काय रे भोसडीचा saying person. Okay.
Yeah. No fair.
Okay, I am a fearless.
I think Ishita, what you're saying is very sweet because a lot of people go through life not knowing who they are.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know who I am. We
Shut
still
up.
don't. No, I don't know. It's very nice when you say that. You suddenly say that at this age, I suddenly feel I'm more comfortable with this avatar of me, which is me, or closest
because
to me.
it was always ki the everywhere you went, my family is a fucking mafia, dude.
Yeah.
So it was like, oh, your uncle. So I mean, I would any kind of debauchery. There was, I can tell you,
I'm pro nepotism. Before you say anything. Wow.
there are 10 people, and बातों से यहाँ की इला जी की बेटी. So that whole thing, it will reach her. And now it is when the Band-Aid got ripped off after I had kids and, COVID happened. I just was turking to, and comedy has been my thing, and melancholy has been my mother's thing.
Kya baat
She's supremely comic.
Dilip Kumar meets Mehmood. This is the child.
No, she's hilarious.
Really?
But her on-stage work is all serious. And I have not done plays with her saying कि मुझे नहीं रोना है. Life is...
Who's funnier, Illaji or Piyush?
Oh, tough one.
Tough one, no? And different humor styles.
No. But they're both very fast. It's actually Piyush, Prasoon and mom.
Prasoon, I know the least, so I don't know how funny he is.
No. But Piyush Mama to is like
Abhijit is very funny.
Yeah, that is the second.
Second, is that you call that second gen?
Yeah, he's second gen.
Okay.
He is Mama's younger version, and all three.
Oh, you say that?
Yeah, he's excellent.
Yeah.
Kino is.
He's softer spoken, but style-wise, he's a little, at least with us, whatever we see.
He's wiser. That's why.
He's very funny, but he's soft style.
Yeah, but he's got a.
You think?
Yeah, he's got a very sharp, observant mind. Same grasp, but he.
You can see the similarity.
Yeah. He's totally. So it's my mom. There's a competition. Can't
And
be.
Ashima's your cousin or your
Cousin. Kino's sister.
Huh. So Ashima then, how is she compared to the rest?
She's funny, but
Temperament-wise?
no, she's the boss of it all in terms of she's a lot like her mother, who's my aunt.
Yeah.
She's the caretaker, a person in control. So the production side.
So you're the mixed blood of all this.
I'm
You have the comedy side, the
I'm
creative side, and the tragic side. You're saying melancholy.
Melancholy is my mother. उनके सारे जो plays हैं Ibsen.
वो तो है.
अच्छा, मगर मेरी उनसे ये लड़ाई थी कि यार जिंदगी में लगी पड़ी है. मैं 500 रुपए दे के एक तो ना तो फिल्म देख रही हूँ, मैं प्ले देखने आ रही हूँ. मुझे हंसाइए ना. तुम्हारा ह्यूमर स्लैपस्टिक है. ये मैंने सुना लाइफ में and I was like, I like only like laughing or having a satirical.
It depends on the mood, yaar.
I will rarely, and the thing is, if you see me serious, that I can be, but
Traffic.
No, that
Traffic will
that
kill the
brings,
comedy in any Indian.
No, it brings out the
Yeah,
best.
really?
This avatar came from that traffic. दो घंटा
I'll give you a life hack now. Yesterday, a guy cut the one way. I was walking my dogs. Cut the one way and came in. I stopped him. He said, "क्या हुआ?" I touched his feet. I said, "आप तो महान है. आपके लिए special status. Because आपके लिए ये सब नहीं. ये law नहीं मानते आप ना. Special."
Oh my God!
And he started feeling bad. He said, and he was feeling very embarrassed.
I did a U right now this morning.
This is almost young. Huh.
Somebody cut me.
And?
I don't drive, by the way. I'll kill people. So I have decided rickshaw लूँगी boss. चल के जाऊँगी but drive नहीं.
So what happened?
He cut me. So I genuinely, I said, या तो I get angry. Otherwise I'll just channelize the inner performer. So I said, sir, he put his window down. I said, क्या हुआ? So he said, क्या हुआ? I said, सब ठीक है ना? He's like, हाँ क्या पंचर है? So I said, नहीं फिर आप कट क्यों कर रहे थे? दिख रहा है ना एक लाइन में जा रहे हैं हम लोग.
Switched?
या एक ही लाइन है वहां से बस.
He channelized the inner Dali. That's a different style altogether. You lured him and then you screwed him. That's totally different. Yeah.
So I mean, what I mean to say is that I like laughter. I like kind of finding the lighter things because we're dealing with enough shit in our lives.
Absolutely.
And till now, it was all about who am I? What should I be? What should I do? What is the level of what should? You got to just do it.
Yeah.
And there's always a method, right? All your overachiever friends and family will say कि आपको पहले परिश्रम करके यहाँ तक ये वाली मेहनत रियाज. You have to start by.
Mehnat riyaz are very bad words. I don't like them. It's
Riyaz.
scary when you tell people why will they want to do mehnat.
And my mother has told me कि ये क्या रीलों का तुम ना ये छिछोरा पंती कर रही हो. What is this?
What is chichora panti?
Frivolous.
No, but they don't know. They don't know. I'm just telling you. So thank God your mother's not telling them. They'll be like, auntie, क्या है? Google translate.
I think that for me, I kind of got into my own skin because I have 2 daughters and I want them to know that whatever it is, my mother, I want to kind of articulate my individuality in my own way, just like she did. I didn't want to be a bad role model. So I said, I have to do what I think I should do, fail if I have to, succeed if I have to, but I have to do me. That is the thing. And, I must tell you this. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So idea की तो भगवान ने उपज दी है. यहाँ तो idea की दुकान है. So we've got like large formats, छोटा formats, all of that. Writing है भगवान ने. So करो. I went to this place, okay. मेरे जुम्मा 10-15 हज़ार हुए थे तो I thought कि influencer बन गए. Went to this very big company because I have a music studio.
Right.
Like I can make a large format. I don't need like you to tell me if I can make. But I was waiting for the right place, so I went and I spoke to them, and they looked at me and they said, "There was a podcast idea. There's this, which we will do, because I'm very determined. When I decide to do something, I do it." He looks at me and he says, "Ma'am, lovely idea, but I feel like you will not be able to sustain the rhythm.
What does that mean?
So I said, why? So he said, you have other sources of income and frankly, you don't have the drive a 20-year-old has.
Wow. Wow.
It's a guy, mandla
What
guy.
20-year-old has drive?
So I said, in my head, I said, boss, I'll come back, okay? And I said to myself, कि इसको मालूम नहीं है कि जब 2 बच्चे हुए ना 15 महीने difference में and you've not worked for 8 years, that hunger can put a 20 fucking
Khunnas is
year
built
old
up.
to shame. So that is what I'm saying, that my hunger kicked in postpartum.
We don't let 20-year-olds in the studio only. I hate that group.
26, na?
26 is okay. Just okay. Okay, Ishita, we'll run out of time quickly.
Yes.
I will get you back. We'll get your mom back. I will get your mama. I will get your full family back.
You just reach Bangalore, na, please.
That's true.
You reach Bangalore. पहले एक तो उधर land हो.
Ye have young. There's a satire, biting, caustic satire in that nobody picked up except me. Okay. Rian's question, when can we see Aika Dajiba 2.0 for the newer Gen Z audience? I presume like a second version, not a
Sagarika, if you're listening to this, please, लाज वाटत नहीं है का करू या ना अपन Vaishali and I are ready that Milind has come out of like his vanvas, okay? Bosco is ready. Salana, and she's decided she's not doing. तो मैं अभी ना when the 20 year happened and we post COVID, I called up Sagarika and said, Sagarika, Milind and I, you, Vaishali, Bosco, we are alive post COVID. This is a big sign. इससे पहले कि off થઈ गयो. Let's do again once.
Correct.
They didn't. I said
Rebirth.
It was on 25th December that video had come out.
Launch.
1 साल हुआ, 2 साल हुआ. I said मैं टंकी पे करूँगी. That's exactly where we did that reel that went viral. It was on my building का टंकी. Because I said ये लोग गाय नहीं
But
कर
did they
रहे.
re-release it with the little thing?
Yeah, so they did it with so Karan Kanchan did a very nice boiler room with it, which became a massive rage. And then I put them in touch saying कि इसने करा है तो कर लो. Then there was a big talk. अब finally Sagarika has bought that. But video बन रहा है कि नहीं boss?
No, but he wants a second, like a sequel. So it's like 20 साल बाद, not the Ramsey Brothers version, but everybody's up.
Aika, not Dajiba. Sagarika music Aika. चलो करूँ या ना?
That phrasing can be altered. That's never a problem because we have to move with the time.
Vaishali and I are ready. Milind was ready 5 years ago.
I think Milind's dancing skills, as you said, have remained consistent. So we don't have to worry. Jo hai, wo hai. We'll work with that. Just don't go to Bangkok. Okay?
No Bangkok. No Bangkok. Oh my God.
Supriya is asking, have you ever done a jamming session with Dhruv, your husband, and your mom as well, Illa Arunji? Do you see the three of y'all collaborating soon in musically? Now you write lyrics.
Yes.
Dhruv does everything else.
Yeah.
Your mom is a fantastic singer. So has that happened?
Dhruv and I have jammed a lot. We work on most of Coke Studios, 2 songs, Dhakar, 2 songs and about 15 to 20 ad commercials. Most of them are written by me. Like Saudi, this new thing that Ramona is coordinating for tomorrow. That her entire Hindi version has been written by me. So we work very often. It is a death wish for anybody to be present in that session.
Where fighting happens.
Yeah. Because when I say something, his meter of गाने का शब्द की जो उच्चारण है उसका मीटर तो सही बोलो. When I sing, it's beautiful to the meter, okay. Then he'll say, what is this? And he'll say, Dhakan ka some other word has gone and I hate that. Then he'll say, what is this writing? And then I'm like, how dare you? I do so much for you. So we can't separate our... But
wow.
there are good...
Putting pressure on a marriage, I think, working in the... I would think that would be really dangerous, over a period of time. Especially creative working together.
No, because he challenges.
Subjective issues hai. One of you backs off, right?
Of course, I have to. He's the captain of the ship, but mostly he's right. Never show this part to him, okay?
and with your mom, is there a possibility?
Mom, I would love to, but mummy wants me to sing. And Dhruv thinks that I'm not taiyar. And therefore that song will never be released.
But there is a song.
There is a song I've written and sung, rapped on.
With 2 of you all singing.
With Dhruv's music, my words. Mom is not part of it. But it'll be interesting.
You don't want mom to join you in a rap?
नहीं, I'm just saying that मम्मी अपने तीनों का गाना नहीं हो पाएगा. Because वो Dhruv और वो कर लेते.
But you could mix it up, na, the genres.
Could, I mean, this
who
is
knows who you'll reach? What harm is there?
It is a death wish to work with my husband and my mother.
I understand. This is a one-off. As a one-off, we'll do it. And instead of 42 ladyboys, me and Kunal will stand behind. You've got the same format, more or less, with less people.
Yeah, but bless her, my mom's still singing. So it is something that I would love to do just as a thing that I would keep with me for the future, because that's it's precious, and you can see that this time is the prime, and you know how it is. Life carries on, right? So I would like to, whoever suggested it, thank you.
Keep it, store it. You never know.
Store it.
And before we say bye, I've slightly rushed her unnecessarily. I apologize totally, Ishita. Like I told you, I love the family, and I'm very nepotistic and tribal. So for me, our community is very small, Parsi. We are not tribal. Who'll be tribal? Everybody else, you are large enough to not be tribal, but we have to be tribal to survive. We have no choice. The situation is thus.
We are fully tribal. No, we don't believe in nepotism, but we are tribal.
Let's get the entire Pandey family together na, on one podcast.
Who's coordinating that?
We'll do that. If we can do the logistics, will you bring them? I'm saying it'll be great fun.
That then would be Piyush, Prasoon, Mom, Dhruv, me.
No, I want Abhijit, I want Ashma. Everybody, whoever you all want to bring. Whoever's willing to come. Everybody's like you said.
Do you know what a nightmare it is to plan a dinner in my house?
That's fair.
Okay. Podcast to दूर की बात है.
But dinner to podcast एक ही बात है ना. But they don't stop talking.
No, they don't.
What's the worry? I just have to turn my cameras on and we'll start.
In fact, there's a script that I was working on for my Insta, which is a WhatsApp family group. And I said, if I were to just make it about my family WhatsApp group, it would just be आज ये award, आज ये जो. It is.
I would watch. It'll be fun. It'll be fun.
It is just only. भैया आज मैंने ये because they are called भैया. भैया आज मैंने ये करा. अच्छा आज ये वाला ad देखो गिलवी का बेटी वाला. वाह वाह. This is the entire conversation.
Artists have to be appreciated.
Exactly.
And at the end of it, we will feed the dogs alcohol, as is the custom in our area. Fair?
Very fair.
Done. Okay, Ishita, thank you so much for being here. Now someone has to catch a plane.
Yes, I have to like
chest.
I cannot get over his chest. Can I just end this section with
You'd
Aisha?
Like to poke
Aisha,
me. Aisha doesn't touch me in any way.
Aisha, I love my husband dearly, but this is. You understand, we are like MTV before you VJs were still around. This is Cyrus now 2.8 10.0 version. इसको मानना पड़ेगा ना बहुत. लेना जरा photo.
हाँ. Don't worry. The thing is that no girl has touched me in 20 years, so I may not be able to reciprocate because I don't know what it's like.
I just want to make sure this is not false.
So go ahead. But you're touching
not,
or not?
You're not wearing Magan Lal ka prosthetics inside.
No.
Do this.
We can't afford.
He can crack a bloody akhrot in this,
we can't afford. Come now. Too fast.
Oh my God.
When I do... See, one of my great highlights of my career is when I finish my benching session, I put a glass of water on my chest and walk. And I've walked for 14 seconds without it falling, which is my world record. And women are just, they think I'm, what is the right word without saying retarded? They think it's like a primate or something. Why would anyone do that? They can't understand.
I am, okay, in return for a hurried podcast, and maybe my mom and my uncles, and I'll probably try to get them.
Family bolna?
Family. I want a guarantee I am meeting you and Kunal of hours. I just want to see.
Hours? We are done by 4 p.m.
हाँ मैं बोल रही हूँ 11 बजे मेरा lunch 11 बजे
11, 12, 1, 2, 3 सब चलेगा
हाँ वो अपना पार्टी का we reached till 11 a.m.
Huge energy till 4. We forgot about the mic professionals, not 25, 30 years.
हाँ no हमारे projection पेट से निकलता है भैया बकायदा अच्छी आवाज दी है भगवान ने.
Plus you have extra mics there which you brought. You have better mics than us.
So no, you have to give me a lunch or like a date.
Done. We'll talk to my secretary Vijay Kar. We'll organize everything.
I can't believe this is a father of a 22 and a 21 and a 17. I'm proud of you, Cyrus.
It's not difficult.
And I'm a Cyrus fan, guys. You know, all of these people. Sorry, Mike.
Ishita, to make kids took 2 minutes. That's 1 minute each. I'm telling you honestly. After medicating my wife, I got to work. Just kidding.
All you influencers and comic timers, bhai, बाप से सीखो ये साहूकार
I only made 2 children.
कपूर नहीं ये तुम लोगों का हुआ था ना भी?
Yeah, we had a meeting.
मेरे को सर्व करने के लिए बुलाना चाहिए.
You're too young, यार.
मेरे को सर्व करने के लिए.
You're a lot younger.
All those guys who have set that bar, you don't know. all of these guys, Maria, Malu, all of them.
But now we have more in common now with organs failure and hair loss and all that. So our conversation is very different. Be very careful. You're not ready for that yet. Wait.
I'm
Number आएगा. Don't worry.
No, आया है ना भाई मेरे 40वीं birthday पे भगवान ने बोला happy birthday. I didn't have chashma.
Me also 43, 44 first glasses.
First glasses, dude. उसके बाद
And I used to make fun of boys, yaar. Chashmesh and all that. I was that guy in the
नहीं,
class.
उसके बाद ऐसा है कि सारा सब कुछ धुंधला है. Meaning आप बस एक परछाई हैं. ये
But you at least wear it with pride. मैं तो ऐसा करता है. So I don't want to wear it. I still keep it here. I try not to use it.
Look, you kind of jataud it
No,
here.
pretty girl, so I'll look. And then again, Prithvi is
But
there. So,
can you please get better glasses, yeah, for him, Aisha? What is this? What is this?
Aisha's not bought me a sanitary napkin.
Why is this broken? 1 minute. Why is this broken?
Style.
Yeah, what is this?
Piyush Mama will understand. He'll understand. He respects individualism.
When's your birthday?
7th August.
Gila? Next
Gila,
please.
yeah.
I will give it to you, please. What is this? Please come on, yeah. And now you've got to color the hair like a full
I just stopped coloring it. I can't bear it anymore, yaar.
Why?
The fraudgiri.
So what the fuck is this?
No, this is my. I have only one. I stopped drinking alcohol. Don't tell your mama. I stopped drinking last 7-8 years now. 9 years it'll be.
I
December.
quit for 12 years.
Huh,
I
you've
went
started again?
completely. I just have a sip of wine now. But it was, those days of
I
B
can't
for
do
you.
sip.
B for
I'm trained by uncle who nobody else sip. Have you been to their parties? Sip.
He's quit too.
He's quit?
Yeah, he's quit smoking.
What's
and
happened to
drinking.
the world, yaar? Oh my God.
I had to
next
start-
Putin will be serving.
2008, Blue Frog, bloody hell, changed the course of our life. We were partying till 3, 4 every night, yeah.
Oof.
It was so heavy on the constitution
And-
that at 2009, I was like, no alcohol.
Okay, we have to stop, but I just want to say one thing. There is a blue frog, like in biology.
Yeah.
I thought it was all lies. But frog hai, Neela frog hai.
Yes.
Neela Mendak, as we say.
And there is the Blue Frog also
Yeah.
in some
Oh,
other
there's
place,
another-
in Bali or Macau or
So
something.
who ripped off who?
It was unknown. They
Oh,
did
but they are the blue frog, you all were blue frog.
हाँ.
हाँ.
You all knew me. मैंने तो शादी करी थी उससे तो उसका meaning.
Dhruv and Ashutosh, no?
Dhruv, Ashu, Mahesh,
Mahesh,
Sheila.
correct. Wow.
We
Those
have
were
to-
the days, guys, but you have to go. Because Air Deccan waits for no one.
अरे अगर कैंसिल हो गया तो
Oh, don't say that. I'm worried because one flight has got cancelled and we're on the next flight now.
So I was in 9th, 10th standard. These were the days when you used to get Hindi में porn or something like that. तो मेरे साथ एक बड़ा होशियार लड़का जो था, जो first आता तो मेरे साथ बैठा था. तो he saw me reading something like that. तो he said suddenly out of blue he said, सर जी ये गंदी किताबें पढ़ रहा है. तो सर जी said कौन सी? तू हट मैं लगूं.
Yeah, I said, I can't do it right now. He says, why? I said, I need time. So he says, what's happening? So I said, I'm going through cancer treatment. I've lost all my hair.
So he kept listening to me. He says, Mr. Kher, don't mind, but I think you need a psychiatrist. So I said, what do you mean by a psychiatrist? I'm a most optimistic person. My life coaching book is a bestseller. Why will I need? He said, I have a friend, Dr. Sawant. Go and meet him.